Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you guys the most highly requested video, and I'm sure you guys know which one this is. It's gonna be all about vitamins, vitaminas, vitamins, whatever you guys want to call them. Yes, so I'm gonna pretty much go over what I do take for a daily basis and why they're important, why I take them, and stuff like that. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to all my vitamins. Just kidding, but no, yes, let me just kind of give you a rundown on why I take vitamins in the first place. Vitamins to me are essential. A lot of foods, whole foods, do have and contain vitamins, but it's not, sometimes they don't have the necessary vitamin intake that you need to be taking on a daily basis, if that makes any sense. Don't quote me for everything that I say here. I know stuff, but I don't know it all, so don't get mad at me if I said something wrong or whatever, or don't say, oh well, Mayra said this. No, just Google it, research yourself, just so you guys can kind of have an idea of what I mean by the vitamins and stuff. Not only do vitamins have you and give you better health, but it's so good for you, especially right now during this pandemic, you guys. It's so good for you guys to be taking vitamins on a daily basis. It helps you prevent a lot of illnesses and things like that, so what's not better than living a healthy lifestyle? That's all included, especially if you're not eating healthy. This actually helps a lot, in general. So without further ado, because I don't want to make this a long video, I'm gonna kind of show you guys which ones I take. I'll have everything in the description below to where you guys can purchase them, and then I will, if you guys have any questions or comments, you guys can always reach out to me on Instagram. Everything is down below on the comments here, whatever your preference. So let's get started. The main one that I've been taking since I was 18 was this one. It's women's pack. This is obviously empty in here, but it's a packet. This little thing is so convenient. You can take it anywhere you go. You don't have to pack it or anything like that. And it's a women's pack. It's from Nutrilite. This is a daily vitamin that has, I wrote some notes. Let me tell you guys what it has. So pretty much it has 24 daily essential minerals, and then there's the tablet that it has 4 tablets, and then one of them is concentrated fruits and vegetables. Then the other one is hair, skin, and nails, and the other one is calcium. So it pretty much brain and eye health, balanced health, omegas. Obviously the hair, skin, and nails has biotin and collagen, and then the vitamin D, magnesium, and calcium. So all of those benefits in this little packet. And I'm gonna show you guys something that I didn't bring out right now, but I'm gonna go grab it real quick. So typically, obviously that's one source of vitamins that I take, but I love this little container that I got from the dollar store. Usually they have them a little smaller, but this pretty much fits all my vitamins that I take, and they're freaking awesome. It's just so good to just stay prepared and be prepared. That way you don't have excuses. Oh, I forgot to take my vitamins, because it can happen. So I just throw them in there and they're good for the week. Then my second one is, and my most favorite, this one I was introduced to it last year at the beginning of June, around June, and I was told that it's so good for your immune system, especially during this pandemic, fighting the virus and all this other stuff. And you guys probably already know which one I'm talking about. It's elderberry. Elderberry, first of all, they're gummies. They're so good. During prep, this was like my sweet tooth craving. I was like, oh, I'm gonna go get a vitamin. So this one is an elderberry. It's for your immune system, and I got this one on Amazon. So there's capsules, there's liquid elderberry, there's all kinds of elderberry capsules. So whatever your preference is, it's totally up to you. As long as it's elderberry, just make sure it's a good one. This one is bone strength, weight loss, boost immune system, so many benefits. And let's see what else. It's a triple action immune blend, made with vitamin C, zinc to support immune function. Excuse my reading. And then it's also really good. But this one's another one of my favorites that I love, and it does have two gummies per serving, which is daily. I take one in the morning and in the afternoon. Obviously the more the better, just because. Then the second one, fish oil. So fish oil, it's heart health. They're good a good source of omegas. Let me see, what other stuff does it have? Because there's just so many good benefits from this little capsule right here, I think. So the fish oil one is a DHA benefits, which is brain health, brain function. It regulates cholesterol and eye health. All these vitamins, guys, are so good for you in general. Like, I'm not even joking, you guys. It's so weird when I don't take my vitamins. Like, I feel like it's just a must for me. And then my second favorite is probiotics. So I decided to go with the gummies because, of course, like I said, when I was in prep, sweet cravings, this was the way to go for me. Then this one is probiotics and prebiotics, and then vitamin C. So it has a lot of good stuff. It gives you friendly gut, mental health, digestion, women's health, and immune support. So all of these vitamins have a similarity, but they're all different and work differently. So they're all, you know, vitamin C boost. This one has the immune support and digestive. So they're all good, you know. I really recommend you guys to get into vitamins and start taking at least this little packet right here that I showed you guys at first, the woman's health, or men's. They have one for men's, and the elderberries. And my second favorite is this B complex. So I like it also because it has flavor. This one's a dropper, and B complex is so good for you. It converts carbs into energy, it boosts your immune system, lowers cholesterol, improves vision, and it also helps with your brain health and improves blood sugar. I'm just looking down on my notes because I know what they work for, but it's just like, you know, just so I won't give you guys the wrong information. But I like this one because it has the dropper and stuff, but I ran out of it. I just saved the package so I can do the video for you guys. That one is a GNC brand. I like to get it there. The other day, because they didn't have any, I decided to go with their regular capsules, which were boring, but it's okay. You know, obviously, it all does the job. Then, the other ones I take are these Filt RX Daily Purifying Cleanse. These are similar to Cleanse and Lean. If you guys are aware of Cleanse and Lean, it's also like it kind of cleans your system out. Let's say you eat bad or whatever, it just cleans you out, especially if you're having issues like with constipation, with irregular, you know, not using the restroom and stuff like that. This will definitely help you out. I don't take them on a daily basis. I try and do maybe like every other day. Some people overdo it, so try not to overdo it with these. They are vitamins, but still, I would just use them if I don't have if I have issues with, like, you know, constipated or anything like that. So my second favorite also is, not second favorite, but my most, like, in this time period of how all the pandemic and all this stuff, I would say turmeric, the elderberry, and the one that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit is like my top to go to. So turmeric vitamins, I get these from Trader Joe's, and obviously turmeric has so many benefits. Turmeric has liver benefits, anti-inflammation, cardiovascular support, skin arthritis, improves brain function, and also cancer prevention. So if you're not drinking turmeric, and if you don't like the taste of turmeric, because that's one of the reasons why I decided to go with capsules, definitely take tablets. Turmeric is so good for you. It has way more benefits than what I just mentioned, so definitely look into that. And then yeah, let me know what you guys think about them. These I got them at Trader Joe's, like I said. And I saved obviously the best for last, sea moss. Sea moss has been so good to me right now, and I just started taking it maybe last year in June as well, and I've gotten so many packages of these, like so many packs, gone through them because they are just so good. And it's just like my coach says, antiviral. She definitely is like, this is a holy grail, and I believe it because I don't get sick normally, and especially right now everybody's getting sick. I have not, thank God, and knock on wood, but you know, this is definitely probably why, because I'm taking all my vitamins. Of course, I'm eating healthy and stuff, but definitely recommend sea moss. And this one is sea moss plus. This is the only one that I was able to find that kind of gave me the idea of another similar one that I was taking before. You can drink, you can not drink, you can, there's sea moss has gel, which It's totally up to you. If you don't like gel and stuff and like having like different textures and tastes in your mouth, I definitely recommend you to go with the capsules. Totally optional, but it has 92 minerals. It boosts your immune system, gets rid of your body mucus, thyroid function, digestion aid, and regulates appetite. So many other benefits, guys. I definitely recommend you guys to look into sea moss. This one has actually, the reason why it says plus is because it's sea moss, bladderwrack, burdock root. So all of these are vitamins. I'll actually show you guys a close-up of which ones I'm actually taking. This one right here, if it decides to focus, there we go. Sea moss plus. And this one's a turmeric. I'm just going to give you guys a rundown of the ones that I'm taking if it decides to focus. That's turmeric. This one is Filt RX. Like I said, this one is a similar function like Cleanse and Lean. And then vitamin B12. My favorite, this one's great flavor. It's Elderberry Gummies. This one is the B complex drops. And the probiotics. These are also gummies and it has 2 flavors, strawberries and grapes. And then some fish oil. Like I said, the brand, guys, it's totally up to you. You guys can look up, look at all the reviews, whatever you guys want. But like I said, it's all optional. And then these are the Nutrilite packages, the women's pack. So, and like I said, these are freaking awesome. Definitely recommend you guys to do that. But yeah, guys, those are all the vitamins that I take. If you guys have any questions regards to anything, definitely comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and kind of give you guys an idea of what I take and why I take. Like I said, whole foods have a lot of vitamins and all, but a lot of us don't really eat whole foods, so it's better to at least be taking them. And not only that, but it just helps you with your overall health. And what not better than to feel and look and just feel so amazing. Definitely give them a try if you guys do. I would like to hear you guys' comments on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and comment what you'd like to see next because I'm always up for ideas. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.